Okay, good day mga ka-fishing, anglers, masters, whatever that are enjoying fishing every time. So this is my assist hook maker or my vice, assist hook vice. So okay, so tignan nyo how my vice is very valuable and usable, very useful sa ating hooks. Okay, it's not that very expensive and you can buy on the market, but it's very reliable on making hooks. Okay, this is my hook. I'm making assist hook. So this is the assist hook I made now. And then what is my the best part here is this also my UV light. Okay, yeah, okay, this is my UV light. So it's very useful na even nakakabit na siya. It's connected to this vice. Okay, I buy this one online. It's very good and it's very nice in making a assist hook to make it harden by resin. Okay, okay, I just flex this one. It's too easy to light. Even you use this one, it's okay also. The blue light, I use it like this, but sharing to you this type of UV light and my assist hook vice. Okay, nice. If you like to buy this one, it's online, Philippines, Lazada and Shopee. There is this kind of UV portable. Okay, thank you.